Python pandas groupby to identify rows. I used to clean data using SAS, but I would like to switch to Python. I had a large dataset which was scrapped from some filings, HTML, but included some noisy information, and I would like to get rid of these irrelevant data. Basically, I need to remove certain rows of data after a row with condition being true. However, this might be a list, multiple true / or no true at all, and if there are trues, I want to identify the last one. Raw data. Expected data. As you can see from the above, I wanted to identify rows below the rows with condition flag _old == 1. Given the structure of the data, I have firstly used groupby to segment my whole data frame, and I was thinking to define a function to select rows and apply the function to the dataframe groupby object, and then of course create a new column for the whole data frame indicating these rows of noisy data. But I got int object is not callable error. Could you please advise me how to do this properly? I have been struggling with this for a few days now, many thanks.
I think you need custom function with transform for return new column.
This might be a little complicated for a one-liner with apply, but you can use or you can use transform. In both cases the output will be
E se o onde sem more, please consider subscrevendo.